First look and hands-on of iPhone 14 UAG Plyo case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. Most cases that you can get for the iPhone 14 are either heavy-duty cases that are bulky, or lightweight cases that aren't very protective. So you have to choose which feature is more important to you, excellent protection or a svelte design? Plyo is that just right sort of case that offers great protection without bulking up your phone in a major way. There are cutouts for the camera, speakers, lightning port, and mute switch. The sleep wake and volume buttons have button covers that are satisfyingly clicky. All iPhone 14 functions including wireless charging, work within the Plyo case. A slightly raised lip around the edge of the case protects the iPhone 14 screen, in case you're placing it face down. Because the case is slightly flexible, it's easy to put on and take off. Thin iPhone 14 cases tend to be more aesthetically pleasing, while thicker cases tend to be more protective. I like that this case is specifically designed to please both camps. The thoughtful design packs about as much protection as possible in a relatively thin package. I like that this covers all the bases. I also like that UAG offers 5 different color choices. My case has a couple of scratches on the inside of it and I don't even know how they got there. It also gets fingerprints very quickly, probably because it's such a shiny case. Plyo is a very comfortable case in the hand. I do love the clicky button covers and the case's grippiness. Plyo isn't the heaviest duty case you can find, nor is it the absolute lightest and thinnest. But it's an excellent compromise between the two extremes.